In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create WhatsApp polls. WhatsApp polls are invaluable for engaging contacts, gathering feedback, and making decisions swiftly. They offer a dynamic way to interact, fostering participation and providing valuable insights for personal and professional use. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. To create polls such as this one, simply tap on this plus icon right here. You will see this option of polls. Tap on it and add in any question of your own choice. You will then also have to create the question too. Let's say it's a group chat. Members will just have to mark on their interests. And whoever votes will always appear on the voters list right here. That's how easy it is to create polls on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.